These are the voices and the stories of the young people and the experiences they have faced from being a part of the LGBTQ+ community. The purpose of this project is to give the young people an opportunity to have their voices heard, as well as a chance to educate the wider community on the challenges that these young people are facing and what can be done to better support them.
I wish being a part of the LGBTQ+ community was more understood in society. But being a part of it seems like you're trapped in constant fear of people's opinions because you're different.
I have been aware of my queerness since the age of 14. Queer identity can often be exceptionally isolating.
Being told that you could never be who you want to be or that your sexuality or gender doesn't exist.
When I come out as bisexual, I immediately lost the majority of my friend group with no explanation. People didn't want to be friends with me because they assumed because I was attracted to girls, I was attracted to them. So I pushed my identity as a bisexual deep inside. I felt like I wasn't living anymore.
On multiple occasions, I thought about ending it.
In school, as a daily occurrence, people in my class are constantly making jokes about me and my friends and call us loads of different names and horrible slurs.
I was on the yard with a group of girls and for some reason they decided to hit me on the back of the head and start commenting on my haircut. When I have my hair long, I feel really feminine and I just think that I should have a choice.
On one occasion, I was walking home from youth club in like an alleyway and like a tunnel when a group of boys from my school started following me late at night, calling me names and slurs. It instilled a fear of them into me that even affected my learning and mental health detrimentally.
When I was in year 8, we had a lot of harassment because that's where most of us decided to come out.
When I came out bisexual, I had a gang of boys constantly pick on me, bully me, harass me.
We would get screamed at, chased at, water thrown at us, pop thrown at us.
A classmate of mine found out that me, a female at birth, was dating a girl and they started calling me a disgusting and a freak. The F slur, the D slur, the T slur, weird, disgusting and many more. When I first changed my pronouns from she, her, a lot of people were confused of why I changed them, and even when I did explain, they were like, I still don't get why you've done that. You're born with what you're born with and you can't change that. You can't change your gender.
I was made homeless for being who I am, for being queer. My parents blame my girlfriend for how I am.
Other family members, if they knew that I was queer, I'd get kicked out and I would lose connections with my siblings. I've listened to family members say, it's okay if you like girls, but only if I'm dead.
On my girlfriend's behalf, her dad was completely against it. It was completely put on me that because I was the older one, I was turning her gay.
Everyone's heard the words, bisexuals are greedy, bisexuals are cheaters. Bisexuals just can't make up their mind.
Oh, you can't be this, choose a side.
My own parents as well have also said to me that it would just be a phase.
Ever since I joined the Equality and Diversity Youth Forum, I've found a bunch of different people from different backgrounds who have similar experiences to me.
When we formed this forum, everything changed for me. Even on the worst of days, it was a space where I knew I could express myself with no fear of judgment. The forum has given me a voice and helped me realise that my identity as a bisexual is valid.
Made myself feel absolutely brilliant. I've met so many like-minded people.
The forum has given everyone who's suffering and struggling a safe space and it helps us all realise that we aren't alone.
I can't wait to experience new things with new friends. I finally feel safe to express myself and have fun with others.